Okay, sites are connected, but it doesn't mean any specific space is syncing yet. And that's the next step. On your DC side, click the space sync on your Confluence app and search the space that you want to sync. In this case, let's try it out with the IT knowledge base. Search for the space and click Edit Sync Settings. In this page, click Create New Sync and give it a name. And here's a tip straight from the docs. Name it after your store space. You'll also get the option here to sync comments and labels along with the pages. Up to you depending on what you need. I'll leave this for now. And then hit create. See this new row? Status has not synced yet. And that's expected because we're not yet done. Now, we need to get this sync over to the cloud side. You've got two ways to do this. Under the actions, you have send token or download token. Send token. This emails it directly to whoever the space admin over there is. Or download token, if you'd rather send it to yourself through Slack or whoever your team shares things. Today, I want to use send token. Fill in the recipient's email. Subject and message are already filled in for you. And just click send token. Oh, quick note. This token expires in 7 days, or the moment it's used. So don't save it in. Now, go find the email and click download. On your cloud side, this part is done for whoever the space admin is there. Go to the space settings for Confluence. This can be found under the space settings. Under the app links, go click sync space list. And then just click import token. Drag grab the token and click import. And there it is. The new row shows up in the sync space on your cloud and also on your DC. Oh, one thing to keep an eye for across all of these videos, this status column right here. You'll see things like not sync, sync, behind, ahead. We'll use this constantly. So just so you know they're there. That's it. Your data center and cloud space are physically connected and ready for sync. Next up, we'll actually move your contents over, all of it in one go, instead of copying them page by page.